This is the front door that we've done, refurbished. Brand new weather stripping. We're still working on the mailbox slot. Brand new handle. We're about to install this peep hole that's 360 degree, or no, 180 degree view. We're gonna install it right here for the customer. Here's how the door looks. And look at this guy. Let's see if we can get a view in the camera of how this looks. Anyways, let's close this up. It's gonna go right here. This peephole requires a 5/8 inch bore to make this happen. So let's drill this and see what happens. There we go. Now we can see everyone. So with this guy, we just kind of unscrew it.
It's meant for quite a wide door, up to a pretty wide door there.
Until you just end up with threads. Now we come in over here. That's how the front came out, a little chippy there, but hopefully the imperfections are hidden, and yes they are. Beautiful. Okay, screwing the other side now with this piece. I'm gonna put the camera down for a minute here. So here's the final result of the peephole. With